Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are playing this game called Don't Starve. And yeah, I've already started one, and but I haven't done anything yet. Yeah, so this is the starter area. Well, like, I don't know. Like, just all this green stuff. This is the starter stuff. So, apparently, the first thing you gotta do is...
Why hide that you've played the game? There's no point in hiding it.
So, you first gotta get an axe. For an axe, we need some sticks. Well, one stick, one twig. And that's some good music. Get some berries. So I can make the axe. Now that I have an axe, next thing I should make is find a camp and make this. But to make this, okay, so I need this for a camp, but before I can get that, I need a pickaxe. So I'm gonna just be getting a pickaxe. Finding a rock on the ground, which is actually useful because oh, these stupid bird things. These bird things are stupid. Oh, what the? There's a whole herd! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Run. Okay, so not getting chased anymore. One more stick, or twig. Yeah. Okay, now I go to pickaxe, and now I can break stone. That's what a pickaxe is for. It's getting late. It will be dark soon. He's joking. It's not actually. Okay. It's not actually about to be night. It's still a while until it's night. Oh. Yeah, I'm getting away from that. Just wait. There's some gold on the ground. See that? What if I... Okay. Okay, I'm finding a good camp for us. Because I think... Oh, I need wood. Okay, so that wood's gone. I meant that tree. No, what are you doing? Hey, stop it, Wilson. Okay, now I can make it. But I gotta find a good place. Maybe some grass? Like somewhere where there's lots of oh. But I need berries too. You really need berries. Because berries is food. And you need food to live. Just like in real life. This. Okay, I guess this is my camp. So the next thing I should get is this, the science machine. Now, I need 4 pieces of wood. So, some wood right here I can chop down. Collect all of that. Why is it getting cold? Wilson? Why are you getting cold? Yeah, that's your character. Well, if you pick this character. This is our camp. This is our camp. And now when we stand close to the sky, we have more stuff. Now. Should I? Okay, so the next thing I should get is this. But it's hard to get. Grass suit. Where I need 10 grass and 2 sticks. 2 twigs. So I need grass. Come on, grass. I need grass. The grass. Grass. I don't know why last night I was getting cold. That was weird. So that's where my base is. And is there any twigs? Oh, if I go back over here, there's a bunch of twigs. Twig right here, but that's right there. Right there. Twig. Not twig. not called a twig, Dexter. Oh, that's not my name. Just, yeah, it's not. It's not a twig.
What are you trying to get?
Trying to get grass. Right here. I already picked that grass, of course. Great. Now I'm gonna probably just gonna go over. Oh, grass. And gold. I need gold. Gold. I need lots of gold. Here's my home again. Any twigs near? What did I do? What did I do? What is this? How can you enter? Backspace? Backspace? Exit? What happened? Do I have to play with this in my face? Are you kidding me? Delete. Oh. Control. I don't care that you're hungry. I'm trying to get this thing out of my face. Okay. Fine, I'll try to feed you with this thing in my face. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's this thing in my face. Berries or berry bushes or something. Seeds. Yes, I need seeds too. Because seeds are food. Seeds are food. Oh, it's gonna get like soon too. Okay, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Any berry bushes around? Any berry bushes around? Berry bush was right somewhere here. Wait, let me see. Tab. Oh, berry bush is right there. So down, 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 down. This is not a. Or is that showing trees? Nope, that's not showing a tree. What? Oh. Tab. This way. Oh. It's down. It's down for me. So down. Wait. Oh. It seems that it doesn't show them on the map because those are nothing. But that's just grass. I like that kind of grass.
I did it twice in a row because I went to get the mushrooms next year. It's
Oh.
easy now.
Okay. I think I'm gonna maybe leave it there because I have a base right there. I'm gonna get to my base and then probably end the video. So yeah. Here. Okay, but guys, like and subscribe, hit the bell. Like and subscribe, hit the bell. This is Frantic Gamer 727 signing out. Peace. Wait, no.
Goodbye.